Key takeaways navigating inflation for economic stability, yaitu 1. Complex phenomenon. Inflation results from various interconnected factors. 2. Broad impact. It affects purchasing power, investment, and income distribution. 3. Policy essential. Effective policies are crucial for maintaining economic stability. Next, policy responses to inflation, monetary and fiscal tools. Monetary policy, central banks use interest rates and quantitative tightening to counter money supply. Fiscal policy, governments can reduce spending or increase tax to curb aggregate demand. Supply side policies to increase productivity and supply can alleviate inflationary pressures. Next, the cause of inflation should determine and relative price distributions. It's silly cost, the time and effort spent minimizing cash holding to avoid erosion by inflation. Menu costs, the costs associated with changing price, such as reprinting menus or updating catalogs. Relative price distortion. Inflation can distort relative price, leading to inefficient resource allocation. Next, financial impact of inflation on uncertainty and investment decisions. 1. Increased uncertainty. Unpredictable price change make it difficult for business and consumers to plan. 2. Distorted investment. High uncertainty can discourage long-term investment, hindering economic growth. 3. Asset bubbles. People might invest in non-productive assets like real estate to hedge against inflation. Next, economic impacts of inflation, purchasing power and income distribution. Ada 1. Reduced purchasing power through fixed income erosion. 3. The redistribution of wealth. Next, other contribution factors, inflationary expectation and money supply. 1. Inflationary expectation. If people expect price to rise, they may demand higher wages and spend more, fueling inflation. Excessive growth in the money supply can dilute its value and lead to inflation. 3. Central bank policy. Monetary policies like low interest rates can increase the money supply. Next, the roots of inflation. Cost push pressures. Rising input costs, increases in the cost of raw materials, labor or energy lead to higher production costs. Supply shock, disruption in supply chains or natural disasters can limit supply and raise prices. Wage price spiral. Workers demand higher wages to compensate for inflation, leading firms to raise prices further. Next, understanding inflation. Definition, Mrs. Raymond and types. 1. Definition. Inflation is a general increase in price and fall in the purchasing value of money. 2. Measurement is measured by indices like the Consumer Price Index CPI and Producer Price Index PPI. Types. Common types include demand fall, cost push, and built-in inflation. Next, inflation causes impact and cost. Welcome to this presentation on inflation and critical concept in microeconomics. We will explore its cause, various impact, and the associated costs. Itulah PowerPoint yang saya buat dari tugas mata kuliah pengantar ekonomi bisnis. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.